Good afternoon. I am Dr. Prasenjit Chatterjee. I am currently working as Dean Research and Consultancy and an Associate Professor of Mechanical Engineering Department at MCKV Institute of Engineering. I did my undergraduate in Production Engineering, followed by Master degree in Production Engineering and PhD in Engineering from Jadavpur University. I am working with MCKV Institute of Engineering since last more than 12 years.
All right, sir. So we will talk about the department that you're associated with. So, what are the offerings of the department in terms of research facilities, projects, and internships that the students take?
When we talk about the offerings of the mechanical engineering department in terms of research facilities, projects, and student internships, so our faculty members are the most intellectual leaders in their respective fields of research. And we also offer our students the opportunity to work one-on-one with the faculty members for advancing the frontiers of knowledge. The students are prepared with the objective of fulfilling the requirements of the leading positions in industry, academia, as well as government sectors in both India and abroad. A significant number of students' internships and always come through from different institutes of national importance like Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore, Center of Energy, IIT Guwahati, CSIR, CME, Durgapur, IIT Kharagpur, then a different NITs, Jadavpur University, and Institute of Energy Studies, Anna University, Kolkata Port Trust, then Steel Factory, Ministry of Defense, Design to Occupancy Services, apart from other reputed core industries. And also our students are always motivated to present the outcomes of their research works in different national and international seminars and conferences. Our faculty members always guide our students to publish their research papers in reputed Science Citation Index and Scopus Index journals. So these are the culture of the department, and our department always try to motivate our students to bring something really useful for the society in terms of research and in terms of student projects.
All right, sir. So that was a very comprehensive list of all the things that the department offers to students in terms of growth opportunities. So the next question that we have is, how does the department bridge the gap between theoretical and practical learning?
Yes, this is a very important question. How does our department actually bridge the gap between theoretical and practical aspects of mechanical engineering? So basically, when it comes to creating an effective learning environment for all the students, Mechanical Engineering Department of MCKV Institute of Engineering is an example of a great learning platform which fosters several learning models. Major changes in pedagogy have taken center stage as we seek to transform overall student experience. By shifting the focus directly onto their learning outcomes, there is an opportunity to ensure all students will reach their goals. Even with all our technological advances, nothing beats direct teacher to student learning. So when done the right way, guided learning helps students understand the way behind what they are actually being taught. So by the end of their studies, students are equipped with fundamental knowledge of general concepts and theories, in addition to possessing the ability to analyze, evaluate, and apply their expertise in order to solve real-life industrial problems. Also, by emphasizing on critical thinking over root learning, Mechanical Engineering Department of MCKV Institute of Engineering aims to produce graduates with the capacity to merge knowledge from different areas to create innovative solutions while remaining aware of ethical and social responsibility. Regular industry visit, internships, mandatory 4 weeks industrial training, expert lectures by industry professionals, alumni interaction, and different events from professional societies are held regularly to make our students aware about the latest technologies of modern industries. New topics like additive manufacturing, 3D printing have also been incorporated in the syllabus under autonomy. So these are the initiatives that our department always takes to inculcate the lifelong learning among the students.
These are very notable achievements and efforts on part of the college to maintain the motivation of the students. So coming to motivation, we know that the student and the faculty relationship is very important in nurturing a very healthy environment. So what are the efforts to ensure that?
Yes, being the teachers, our one of the major responsibilities is to ensure a healthy relationship between the faculty members and the students. And we at Mechanical Engineering Department of MCKB Institute of Engineering believe that the best teachers are capable of maximizing the learning potential of each student in their class. We understand that the key to unlocking student potential is by developing positive, respectful relationships with our students beginning on the first day of their college life. So we follow some key strategies like we treat them with respect, we teach with enthusiasm and passion. We always have a positive attitudes. We incorporate humor into the lessons. We make the learning fun. We use student interest to our advantage. We also incorporate some storytelling process into the lessons, and also we show an interest in their lives outside the classroom. That means our students have lives actually away from the classroom. So teachers talk to them about their interest and extracurricular activities that they participate in. We also take interest in their interest even if we do not share the same passion. And also mentoring system is there to monitor the overall development of the students. And finally, we also follow that we have to go to some extra mile. Some students need teachers who will go that extra mile to ensure that they are successful. Some teachers provide extra supports on their own before or after the college for struggling students. We communicate with the parents frequently to take a genuine interest for the well-being of our students. So in this way, we maintain or we try to ensure a healthy relationship between the faculty members as well as the students.
Yes, absolutely. So my last question and a very important one is, what are the benefits and career opportunities available after pursuing this course?
If we talk about the benefits or the career opportunities available after pursuing BTech in mechanical engineering particularly, so as we all know that mechanical engineering is one of the oldest disciplines in engineering. It is also referred to as the mother branch of all engineering disciplines. Another appealing feature of mechanical engineering is that the application base of this particular department or of this particular field of study is extremely broad and diverse. Almost all innovations during the ancient period and a vast majority in the modern era are direct contributions of one or the other applications of mechanical engineering principles. And traditionally, mechanical engineers have to deal with the concepts like engine mechanics, thermodynamics, robotics, then kinematics, we have structural analysis, fluid mechanics, and many others. So these concepts are applied in the process of designing state-of-the-art manufacturing units, different types of motor vehicles, aircraft, and aerospace parts, and a vast assortment of industrial machinery. Mechanical engineers also contribute in the development of various types of engines, power plant equipments, heating and cooling systems, and other simple and complex machinery or machine components. So mechanical engineers not only design new mechanical systems, but they are also responsible for testing, maintaining, and manufacturing those items. So apart from these, these are the conventional roles and responsibilities of mechanical engineers. But however, as we all know, the times have changed, and nowadays the scope of mechanical engineering is also expanding beyond its traditional boundaries. And now we can see mechanical engineers focusing their major attention towards new areas like nanotechnology, development of composite materials, biomedical applications, environmental conservation, water management, waste management. So everywhere there is a little bit of application of mechanical engineering.
Absolutely. So mechanical engineering is one of the most sought after courses in India, and with the kind of faculty and offerings that MCKV provides, I'm sure it is one of the most sought after colleges in Kolkata as well. So thank you so much for
absolutely.
Yes. Thank you so much for taking out your valuable time, sir. So we are done with the interview, and I will let you know when this will be published and where this will be published. So yeah, thank you so much.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you for this opportunity. Thank you.